So good morning everyone. Welcome to lecture 38 of the course on data structure and algorithm. So in the last class we discussed about various types of trees. One of the tree which is known as 2-3 tree we have introduced in the last class. Just have a recap on that. I have shared my screen. Hope all of you can see my screen. So can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Am I louder enough?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So this is a 2-3 tree example. Uh, the example is taken from book Yaswant Mehta. So the properties of what is a 2-3 tree? So few properties need to be satisfied. Then we can call an AVL tree as a 2-3 tree. And why we are discussing about 2-3 tree? Because if you just okay, why tree is actually so important? Why tree is introduced in a data structure? The primary intention or primary objective is to make the searching process efficient. So before understanding tree, you have understood several, two popular searching techniques. One is the linear search, another is the binary search. Now, uh, apart from these two techniques, our intention is to make our searching process very efficient, because in our daily life searching is very abundant, right? We are frequently using searching, okay, in our digital media. Okay, now, and there is a huge data in this scenario. In today's scenario, we are we are surrounded by a large amount of data, big data. And whenever there is a large pool of data, searching complexity should be expected. To be very good. Searching to be done in a very efficient way, and that's the most important objective and primary intention why we are discussing about trees. So that's why we came to know about first binary tree. So where a node can have at most two children. Then to make the searching more efficient in a binary tree, we discussed about binary search tree. We discussed about AVL tree. So because if in binary search tree there was a problem that if the left subtree and the right subtree are not of same height, their heights are differing by a large amount, considerable amount, then searching may not be efficient. It could be improvised. So that's why AVL tree was introduced to improvise the searching in BST. Next, in AVL tree, one limitation is that if, any node can have at most two children. Okay, so if it is possible to accommodate more than two children to a particular node, what will happen? For example, this one where 6 and 15 is showing, so it can accommodate three children. Okay, so if it was AVL tree, it can accommodate maximum two children. So three nodes is placed as three children in this kind of a tree. But if it is an AVL tree, to accommodate three nodes, you what you can do, you can construct a picture like this. Suppose you have to insert three node. How can you insert three nodes? So suppose this is a node. So two nodes you are inserting here and here, and then another node you are inserting. So three nodes. So for example, suppose three nodes. So these are the three nodes. These three nodes are not actually the direct children of this node, okay, but they are inserted like this. And what happens? What happens is the height corresponding to this node, height becomes, height is increased. So more nodes, if you are going to insert in an AVL tree, the height will be larger. It will grow gradually. ठीक है? But another possibility is like this. So we are accommodating three children to a node, and what is happening? Height is not increased. Here, with respect to this node, height is 1. With respect to this node, height is 2. So height can be made short if can accommodate one particular node. So if you can shorten the height, then if you can shorten the height, then what will happen? Okay, in terms of the less
Sir, your
more
voice
efficient the
is
searching
breaking.
complexity. Hello, am I audible now?
Yes, sir, your voice is breaking.
Okay, hello.
So
Is it
sometimes it
fine
is
now?
breaking.
Yes, sir.
I just want to do some internet connection probably. Achha. Now is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So the ultimately what we are understanding here, key in two way we can improvise the searching complexity. One is what we have discussed in case of binary search tree. What is the problem in binary search tree? The problem is left subtree, right subtree may differ by a large amount of height. Shorter, but if you are going to search in the larger height, okay, then it's a problem. Searching will not be efficient. So to overcome this limitation, you are bringing AVL tree concept, where you are trying to balance the height of both the left subtree and right subtree. Okay, so by introducing AVL tree, you are trying to balancing the height of AVL, left and right subtree. Okay, so that whatever subtree you will choose, left or right, the probability of getting the search is half. Okay, in this way you are improvising the searching. Next, what if I can further shorten the height of a particular subtree? For that purpose, I have to accommodate more than two children to a particular node. So from that idea, one tree has been introduced, that is 2-3 tree. 2-3 tree is a special case where a node can have minimum two children and maximum three children. I mean, either two children it will have, or three children. Any non-leaf node, it will have either two children or three children. Okay, and all the leaf nodes will be in the same level. Okay, and if any node having two children, like this here, the value 24, this node have two children, so then that node will contain only a single value 24. Okay, so the node which is having three children must contain two values like this, 6 and 15. So that is the idea. The node which is having two children does contain a single data field, let's say 24. So it is having two branches, left branch, right branch. Left branch is based on some policy and right branch is following some policy. What are the policies? In the left branch, the node value should be less than this value. And in the right branch must be greater than or equal to this 24. Okay, this is for the node having two children. Another case is a node having three children. So we know that the node having three children does contain two data fields. So based on the two data values, we will have three branch policies. The leftmost branch will follow the principle that here child value, the value in the child node must be less than 6. 6 means the first data field. The middle branch should follow the policy that the value in the child node must be in between the first value and the second value, in between. And the rightmost branch follows the principle that the value of the child node must be greater than or equal to the second value, second data field of the root node. So that is the policy all about. Okay, and if we can further generalize this concept, any node can have, in a generalization of a 2-3 tree, any node can have k number of data fields d1 d2 dot 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 dk, so that this node can have uh, exactly k plus 1 number of children. Okay, and the branch policies will be like this: the leftmost is branch should have a child with a value x less than d1. Second branch, it should contain a value x such that it lies in the d1 to d2. Next, third branch, fourth branch, so contain a child with a value x greater than dk.
স্যার আরেকবার বলবেন, ভয়েসটা ব্রেক করে গেল।
এইখানে হচ্ছে তোমার এই
শোনা যাচ্ছে না
কিছু ঠিক করে।
আচ্ছা, okay, am I audible properly now?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
yes sir
Am I audible properly?
Yes, sir. Yes.
yes sir you're audible
Okay. Achha, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Internet connection here. Okay. So this is we have understood. Okay. So the for data fields D1, D2 to dk. So this node will accommodate exactly k plus one number of children. Okay. So k plus one number of branches. So first branch will follow this. X less than D1. Branch should follow the policy X greater than equal to dk. So this is the thing. And in the last class we were discussing a problem on a 2-3 tree insertion method. Yeah. Okay, so this problem we were discussing in the last class. Suppose this is a 2-3 tree already given. So 2-3 tree already given. Remember what is a 2-3 tree in short? How to check whether tree is a 2-3 tree or not? Based on the number of data fields, you will check the number of children. The number of children should be equal to the number of data fields plus 1 always. ঠিক আছে? Okay, and overall it's a binary search tree. Okay, all the lifts are node value. ঠিক আছে? So first we want to insert a node. We are trying to insert a node into. We are trying to insert a node 2 into a 2-3 tree. Okay. So that is the thing. So this node is highlighted where the value of 2 can be inserted, right? Somewhere. So first step is loose addition of node 2. So you are forcefully inserting the value 2 just for 3 because it is less than 3. If I am trying to insert a node 4, then it should be placed in less than. We are adding the 2 just before 3 as highlighted over here. Then what we are doing, the first strategy which you have to do here, so find the median of this. Yes, maximum 3 data will be there. Data fields are allowed, but as you are doing in a scenario, of course that is wrong. Out of the 3 values, you are trying to find the median among these 3 values. So of course that is the middle value, median. That median value is going to the parent node. As you can see in this figure, it is placed just before 6. It is split it into 2 different nodes. One is 2, another is 5, which you can see. So this is the strategy 1. Repeating again. So the node which is highlighted where you have done the loose addition of node 2, okay, up to its parent in action 2 5 will be hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
ইয়েস
Okay.
স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, কিছু মিস করনি তো? ওকে,
স্যার ভয়েস গুলো মাঝে মাঝে কিরকম কেটে যাচ্ছে, মানে
একটু
ওভারল্যাপ
প্রম্পট
করছে।
করবে আমার। হ্যাঁ, এখানে একটু নেটের সমস্যা হচ্ছে। করবে, আমি রিপিট করে দেবো। ওকে, তাহলে মিডিয়ান ভ্যালু তিনটা কি হয়ে গেল, তার পেরেন্ট নোডে চলে গেল অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট পজিশন। সিম্পল। সেকেন্ড স্ট্র্যাটেজি, ওকে, সো ইন দিস সিনারিও ইউ ক্যান সি দিস ইজ সাপোজ টু so this is supposed to be a 2-3 tree. So again, this is not this is valid. See, so here the node, but in 2-3 tree is 1-2 field, right? So again, this is validating the 2-3 tree. So again, this process, whatever we have done, a median goes up to its parent. And split the remaining node, right? So that process we will repeat again. So among 3, 6, and okay, and the remaining portion 350, last figure 3 and 5 are two separate nodes. And after that, what will happen? The first two children 2 and 5 will get their parent as 3, and the second and 17 will get their parent as 5. So ultimately, this will be the final structure of a 2-3 tree after insertion of a node. Okay, so now we are in a position to go towards B plus tree. So now why B plus tree is important? Our B tree are key values. These two values, 6 and 15, are actually called key values. Okay, key values. So in B tree, a node contains key values. And based on which corresponding data pointers point towards the data. Okay. So to overcome this problem, what we are trying to do, a B plus tree concept is introduced. Okay. And what is that? Let's take an example. So this suppose this is okay. Suppose in B plus tree, to dot 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 PC minus 1, KC minus 1, PC. Okay. Okay, so each node P is less than equal to A, then we will see, we will call this node is of order A. So here, a very important concept we are learning, that is order of a node. Order of a node. Okay, so order of a node A means there will be present up to PC. So these are pointers, P1, P2, PC are pointers. These are called tree pointers. This type of pointers point towards another node in that particular tree. Okay. Okay. Now what? So you can see this picture. P1 is a pointer. P2, Pi is a pointer. PC is a pointer. K1 is a key. K2 is a key value. K I minus 1 key value, Ki is a key, Kc minus 1 is a key value. So this pointer P1 point towards a node having value x greater than equal to K1 but less than K2. Greater than K1 but less than equal to K2. Okay. So in general, any pointer Pi will point towards a node of which value is more than Ki minus 1 but less than equal. These are actually internal nodes. Internal nodes. So each internal node except root node can have maximum 8 tree pointers, that is a minus 1 key value and c number of pointers. Okay, so minimum number of children is the floor function of a by 2. This is another important act of B plus tree. And what about the root node? Root node must have minimum 2 children. Okay. So this is what about the scheme characteristics of there can be maximum c number of pointers and maximum c minus 1 number of key values. Okay, based on the key value, the pointer will corresponding to a particular node in the next level. And there is a special restriction on a non-leaf node other than and root node. Root node can have maximum minimum 2 children, but other than each leaf node will be in the form this one, the key value and the data value. Okay, so where k1 k2 kc minus 1
Hello, sir.
The C maximum C minus one number of keys and number of data values. Okay, and there should be an, that's it. So ki is a key value, di is a data pointer pointing directly towards an actual data or record corresponding to a key ki, and p next points to next input. Okay, so these leaf nodes are forming actually a called of order B if there exists maximum C minus one number of keys and C minus one number of data pointers.
Hello, sir.
So this is the picture looking like. Suppose D1, D2, dot, dot, DI, DC minus 1, capital D, C minus 1 is a pointer pointing to, okay, and K1, K2, K3 are the key values based on which, as per the value of K1, K2, K3, D1, D2, D3 will point towards the corresponding data. And the extra last element field, which is the forming a linked list of b by 2 key values and maximum b minus 1 number of key values. Okay, and all leaf nodes are at same level. This is of course we have seen. Okay.
Hello.
স্যার কিছু শুনতে পাচ্ছি না।
For your reference, I have used. And due to linked list connection of all leaf nodes, all the leaf nodes can be visited during searching, making efficient searching. Okay, so this is all about B plus tree. Okay, it seems like my internet connection is very here, so I can do the roll call and